nyo. Hindi. Kakanta muna sila ng pahabakan. Ano ba ikisin? Mag-ikis kayo. Ay,
Happy birthday greetings daw.
Not that much. Okay, you prolong the happy birthday. Prolong happy birthday. Like that. Whatever it is. You understand that? Because I don't understand what I'm saying. Happy birthday only, okay?
Ayon, Ayon. Happy birthday, Ayon.
Yeah, very long, not prolong. Okay. Okay, very good. I really love this girl. She's so smart, my God. Okay, let's start now. Happy birthday, Ayon. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday,
Wow! Ah! Ang haba. Nabilang mo. 32, 22.
Galing naman ng batang ko.
Amari, Amari kami. Amari, Amari. Sama na ko yan.
Sandali lang. Ano, sigurado na? 22 daw yan. Okay, 22. How about you? Okay na? Okay na? Ready ka na? Okay, go. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Ayon!
Wow! Wow!
Kakaloka.
Bakit ito lang?
Ano, ilan?
15, okay, 15.
Oh, 22, 15.
Ah, wow!
You ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Kulang
Magaling ka ba ang tato?
Ah!
Ay, bakit naaanuhan ka ng hininga? Kaloka naman to. Sige, ito na. Ikaw na. Marcus. Marcus. Sige na, Marcus. Awa. Okay, Marcus. How to pronounce it?
Marcus.
Wow!
So I need
Islang!
Marcus. Okay. Corrected by. Okay, you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Ayon!
So the winner is... Ano? What's your name again?
Contestant number 1!
Erica.
Erica!